So good morning everybody. It's from Jayashree. I am from SNS College of Technology. I am going to take biology for engineers. The topic name is what? Evidence of E law of inheritance. Okay. Let us see what is the various laws of inheritance under this biology for engineers. Okay. So first law is what? Author introduction. So Gregor Johann Mendel was the Austrian monk and scientist known as the father of modern genetics. He discovered the basic law of inheritance by experimenting with the pea plants. His work laid the foundation of how traits are passed from parents to offspring, although it was only recognized after his death. Okay. So there are many laws of inheritance. Gregor Johann Mendel discovered the father of modern genetics in the year 1822 to 1884. Okay. So let us see what are the three laws of inheritance. The evidence of three laws are, these are the list of three laws: law of dominance, law of segregation and law of independent assortment. Okay. So let us see what do we mean by law of dominance. So when the two different allies are present, so let us take the example, we will see the little later. When two different allies are present, the dominant ally is expressed and the recessive one is masked. This is seen in F1 generation of a monohybrid cross. Okay. So law of dominance. Okay. When two different allies are present, the dominant ally is expressed and the recessive one is masked. This is seen in the F1 generation of the monohybrid class. Okay. Let us see with the examples with the law of dominance. Okay. So this is what this law of dominance, but small t, that is capital T, is nothing but the tall t and small t is nothing but the short t. Okay. So it is indicated by tall and dwarf. Okay. So this when the gametophyte is formed, that is any insect is formed from this plant to this plant or from tall to short tree, what will happen means the tall will dominance. Okay, the tall tree will dominance when compared to the short tree. Okay, that is what this law of dominance. Okay, so when have you understood, when the two different allies are present, tall and short tree, this tall tree dominates the short tree. That is what the dominant ally is expressed and the recessive one is masked. This is seen in F1 generation of a monohybrid cross. Next one is what? Law of segregation. That is, each organism has the two allies for the trait which separate during the gametophyte formation. As a result, each gametophyte carries one ally from each pair. So for example, here we are going to decompose the F1, that is F2 generation, right? So here F1 generation we already formed, the tall t will dominate capital T into small t and capital T into small t. So this tall t will dominate this short t. So similarly here, the law of segregation means whatever may be the segregation, that is tall, that is TT, and tall into dwarf and tall into dwarf and small t. Everything is there are the four different combinations. Whatever may be the combinations, the tall will dominate. Okay, that is what? Law of segregation. Okay. Next one is what? Law of independent assortment. Allies of two different, that is allies of different traits are shot independently during the gametophyte formation. This means that inheritance of one trait does not affect another trait. For example, if you take one seed, right? If you take one seed, the normal seed and then shrinking seed. Okay. If you both are coming, if both the breeding take place, the normal seed will grow fastly when compared to the shrinking seed. Okay. So these are the various combinations of normal seed along with this shrinkage of seeds. Also, this forms this gamettate formation, and this is also known as diploid cross. That is, this pure breeding round, which is represented by the yellow seeds, and shrinkage of seeds, which is indicated by the green seed. So everyone form the gamettate. At the gamettate means red with yellow or soil with yellow, soil with green. That is the four combination of this yellow seed, and again this green seed form this four combination. So out of this, yellow seed will dominate when compared to the green seed. Okay. So that's all about this law of inheritance. So law of dominance is what always dominate the tall plant, and law of segregation was whatever may be the segregation, it will go to this based on this combination, and seed is nothing but shrinkage of seed with this normal seed. This is what dihybrid cross. So thank you all. Have a great day.